God. You already know what time it is. Supreme Chancellor. I need my bag, they're trying to keep it from me. I need my bag, they speaking funny, never speaking money. I need my bag and not no sneaker money. You've been dreaming of some lobster with that pizza money. I need it now, I need my bag and not no reefer money. I need my art to fetch for more than Mona Lisa money. I need my bag, but can you reach it for me? You can never buy this sauce, but you can lease it from me. Suede, if I lose my mind, I won't get it back. Get a matter, no small chatter, no chitter chat. 4-figure month, need more, how you figure that? Where I'm from, if you get it took, you gotta get it back. If not, hope you don't make the same mistake twice. Trust my gut, rather take a loss before I take advice. If you make mistakes, you gotta make it right. If not, you can say goodnight, purely out of spite. Pump your brake lights, here's a quick warning. Watch the sunset like an awning. Pray we make it to the next morning. Think you found your calling. It's hard when that shit doesn't call you back. Got you in the lab doing jumping jacks. Got you running laps till you overlap. Told you that I need my bag, so when we go shopping, don't read the tag. I'm a cool kid, might pull up on a black mag. Puerto Rican mom with the black dad. Swear God, I need my bag, they trying to keep it from me. I need my bag, they speaking funny, never speaking money. I need my bag and not no sneaker money. Yeah, you been dreaming of some lobster with that pizza money. I need it now, I need my bag and not no reefer money. I need my art to fetch for more than Mona Lisa money. I need my bag, but can you reach it for me? You can never buy this sauce, but you can lease it from me. Suede, God.